YouTube? What's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today is very exciting because my CBR is gonna get way louder than it is right now. But currently I'm still waiting for the package to come here, but the tracking says it is out for delivery, and right now it's just a waiting game. You guys can follow me, I guess, as I wait. Yeah, I'm about to make some coffee, get things moving. Yep. And now we just wait. While we wait though, check out this new tank that we just picked up. No fish in it yet, we just set it up last night. And we are gonna get more stuff for it, like driftwood and rocks, probably more plants. But yeah man, I think she looks cool.
A few moments later.
Alright guys, I just got back from the pet store. We actually got more plants and driftwood and rocks for the aquarium. But as I got home, guess what showed up? What is that? Finally here, just bring it inside. Here we go, boys and girls. Alright guys, here's the last look of the Yoshi RS5. Let's go. And just like that, she's on, guys. Oh my god. Oh wow. Alright guys, so first impressions, wow, I am very happy with how this sounds. Yeah, I feel like it's 10 times louder than the Yoshi. Red matches. Oh my god, I'm gonna get in trouble, man. Here we go.
Sorry if I'm not talking too much, guys. I'm trying to let the exhaust speak for itself.
Alright guys, hope you guys enjoyed that little vlog. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. In about a week or so, I'll probably do a mini review of the MGP Growler. So make sure you hit that bell so you get notified if you are subscribed. If not, so be it. Thanks guys. Peace.